I bought some new camera equipment, and I'm really excited to open this box and share with you exactly what I bought. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you might have noticed that I have been saving my money to buy a new piece of camera equipment. Sadly for me, I don't have a terribly well-paid job, so I really do have to save up. And in fact, I have been saving for quite a lot of months to be able to afford this item. So as I said, I'm really excited to open this item and share this with you. And it's something I've been looking forward to buying for some time. So without any further ado, I'll open this box up and I can explain to you what I've bought, why I bought it, and hopefully how it's going to improve my photography. So let's see what we've got in this box. Let's get this open. The top on the bottom open and the sides packaging, of course, always lots of packaging. So I've got more Applebee. So it looks like I've got M.Zuiko box. That's it, just that one box in there. So now let's have a open this. So what's in this M.Zuiko box? More packaging. This is what I've bought. The M.Zuiko 40-150 f2.8 Pro lens. But that's not all, because I've also bought something else, and a little pouch. I've also bought the 1.4 MC 1.4 teleconverter, and that will slot on the bottom of this and give it me a bit of an extra range. That's what I bought. Now let's have a look at this and I'll explain to you why I bought it. So I finally bought the 40-150 f2.8 Pro lens, and I've been really wanting this lens for quite some time. But why have I bought it now? Well, I have saved the money up. As I mentioned, I've managed to save up enough money. I've bought this from MPB. This particular lens cost me £650. There were lots of other cheaper options on MPB, but a lot of them said that there was moisture in the lens, and although the description says it's not a problem to the image, I was concerned that if there's moisture in the lens, that will eventually be turned into fungus and it will be a massive problem. So rather than buy one with moisture in, I've decided to pay a little bit extra, £650 this cost, to buy one that's in very, very good condition. Looking at it, it's absolutely no marks. It looks pristine, if I'm honest. It looks fantastic, and I'm so far, without connecting it to my body, it looks spot on. I'm really happy. In addition, I've bought the 1.4 teleconverter, and I've done that just to give me that extra bit of reach, and it effectively turns this lens into a 50-200. And the other reason why I bought this, well, the reason I bought it is wanted to get sharper photos, and the other reason is because my 40-150 f4 has developed a fault, and I looked online to find out how I could fix this fault, and generally the forum said the best thing to do with this is to put it in the bin, because it stopped focusing from about 100mm onwards, and that's because apparently the ribbon's broken on it. So I was kind of forced into buying this new lens, and so I've done it. I'm looking forward to going on a shoot fairly soon, and I'm hoping to record that shoot and show you how I get on with this lens for my first outing. So as I said, I'm really excited to get this new lens and to show you, and I'm very much hoping that this new lens is going to give me some really nice results. I didn't buy the 50-200, which would have been by all accounts, a far superior lens, and that's because this cost me £650. You can't really get the 50 to 200 less than 2,000 at the moment. It's still extremely expensive, and if it took me 9 months or more to save up enough money to buy this lens, then I think it's probably going to take me 9 years to save up enough money to buy the 50 to 200. But yeah, this is what I bought, and I'm super excited to go out and use it. And as I said, I will share my first video with you, or my first outing if I can, with this lens, and give you a view of what I think and how it has performed. Thank you very much indeed for watching. I hope this reveal video has been interesting, and you agree that this is a good lens for me to buy as my my next piece of photography equipment. If you have enjoyed this video, then I'd be super pleased if you'd give it a like. That'd be brilliant if you did. And if you are enjoying my photography content, and I am, despite the fact that I've been using Canon cameras recently, I am very much a Micro Four Thirds user, and that's where that's what I'm keen to do. And if you are enjoying my photography, not only the Canon stuff and the Micro Four Thirds stuff, then I'd be super pleased if you subscribe. That would be amazing if you did. Once again, thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one, hopefully fairly soon. Thanks, and cheerio.